I mean to the left. And you can see the second point, y is equal to fx plus k. We have discussed that if k is greater than 0, then its slope positive direction upward. If it is less than 0, negative. Number third, as x plus k, then both translations have direction in the x units in the x direction and the k units in the y direction. So in the last this one, both horizontal and vertical translation happen together. Okay, this is what happened. Both horizontal and vertical translation happen together here. Don't give the x value. Give the value for h and k. Why are you giving x as the value? X is the function variable. You can only give the value to h and k. X is the variable in the function. Right? We are not looking for input output. We are not playing input output thing. So you're giving the x value. Don't give the x value. That is the when we have to find something the output. Then we give the h and x value. We don't need here any output. We are just understanding that what kind of transformation is happening over here. Right? So that's what it is. Right? You can see here the h unit happens in the x direction, and the y units happens in the the k unit happens in the y direction. Right. Now, if you come to this one, the red, green, and blue line are parallel. You can see the red, green, and blue lines are parallel. The red line has the equation y is equal to fx. And find the equations of the other line. So the red line is a straight line. And I have equation y is equal to fx. We are looking to find the equations of other line in terms of fx. So, like we have just understood like this one. I gave you this transformation here. You can see here. I gave you these two transformations like horizontal translation y is equal to fx given. Then what happens in the horizontal translation? Plus minus a is added with the x. Simply if it is vertical translation, then what happens in the vertical translation? Something is added to the entire fx. So if you see this graph, y is equal to fx again given to you and it's drawn as well. Can you tell me what would be equation for blue and green color line in terms of fx? Is it shifted upward or is it just shifted to the right, to the left? What do you say? Okay. The red wave are two lines of parallel. The red line of equation y is equal to fx.
है
Find
भैया
the equations of the line terms of that. I think you didn't able to pick it. It's not shifted. It looks like because it's a straight line, so it's very hard to distinguish whether it's shifted to the left, to the up, to the down. But our strategy should be not just
बोलिए
looking.
भैया
Visualization is not giving you the whole picture. If you're just visualizing it and thinking
हाय
that I can
भैया
get the idea, no, it is not possible. You have to
कैसे
pick
हैं
the
आप भैया
coordinate. Pick the random coordinate and then you're going to get the idea. Okay. Remember, I told you in the vertical translation for the same x, the y value changes. Right. If you see here with the red color,
हाय भैया
for this, at x is equal to 0, the y is 2 here. I pick this point. 0, 2. Now, for the same x is equal to 0, what happens with the y? For x is equal to 0, what is the output for the y? It is 6. Yeah. For the same x value, the blue
हाँ
color
भैया
line
आप भी अच्छे हैं
giving 4 units greater than what the red line giving to me. What it makes sense? Isn't it making sense that blue line is fx, which is the red color line, plus 4? I told you, since it is
हाँ बोल तो रहे
parallel,
हैं भैया
it's a parallel,
आप भी बहुत अच्छे हैं
that's why
आपको राखी बांधना
it
है
looks like they
रक्षाबंधन
are
में
translated horizontally or vertically. No. Since they are so bigger that you can sense, okay,
हाय
it shifted that much units to the to the left, to the right. It's same line
हर हर महादेव
overlapping by
जय माता दी
4 units
माता रानी
upward.
का दिन है
That's why it is looking like it's translated in the left or right. But we don't go with the visualization.
नहीं बना रहे
Visualization
हैं
will not going to give the real picture. It's only the coordinate can help you out. Coordinates is the real friend.
ठीक कर
Coordinates
देंगे
can't
खाना हाँ भैया नहीं अभी बना रहे हैं भैया
make
खाना अभी हुआ नहीं है
error here.
हाँ जो करते हैं उनको भैया बोलते हैं
Now, you can ask like
जो जो करते हैं वैसा कमेंट उनको भैया बोलते हैं मैं सबको मैं भैया मानती हूँ
what
लेकिन जो
happens
इस तरीके
like
से
why it
बोलते हैं
is
उन्हें मैं और
not
ज़्यादा मतलब भैया मानती हूँ
translated to the right, something like that, or left,
बिहार से
something like
हैं
that. So picking the right coordinate is only the idea I can only tell you right now. So pick the coordinate and then answer it. Otherwise, just on the terms of visualization, that's really make you very upset. Okay. Let me add one more. Yeah. So let's see the grid one. What happens with the grid one? this is the blue one. Now, if I see the green one, I need to keep the coordinate again. So, this is the coordinate that I can easily visualize. I can see minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, where is 0, 1? Like I can't visualize 0. It's minus 2, comma 0 with the blue one. And if I
Hi.
take with the reference with the blue one, now it's become 1, comma 0. So this is the picture. Minus 1, 0, 1. 3 units it passes. Right. So your green line with the reference to the blue line, which I already wrote in terms of red color line. I
इतने
only
दिन से
need to
कहाँ
do
रहेंगे, लाइव तो आते ही
minus
थे, पर अभी
3
थोड़ा पूजा पाठ चल रहा है ना नवरात्रा
plus
वाला।
4 to write the expression for green line. So it is with the reference
बिहार
to the
से
red
हैं।
line. The blue color line was written in terms
अभी
of red
नवरात्रा चल
color
रहा है,
line,
पूजा पाठ में थोड़ा
fx plus 4, and the green color line takes the help of the blue line, which I already written in terms of red line. So the
ठीक
final
है।
expression which comes out happens with the red line as well. So here we have the glimpses of the red line as well. Because I already write the equation of blue color line with the reference of red color. It's red plus 4. So you can see here it's plus 4 is because of that red. That's why I wrote here. It's a kind of composition function. Remember in the composition function what we do? That happens in the composition function. So the green line is
सब लोग
actually
ठीक हैं।
composition of red as well as blue. So I only change that happens here is 3 units shifted to the right, and when it is shifted to the right it means I need to do minus 3. That's like okay. I am doing like that.